Nouns in Spanish are words used to name people, places, things, ideas or concepts. Some examples of nouns in Spanish are person, friend, family, teacher, doctor, student, place, city, country, home, school, park, thing, table, chair, book, phone, car, idea or concept, love, freedom, democracy, justice, equality. Nouns can be common or proper. Common nouns are those used to name any person, place, thing, or idea, such as dog or house. And quad. Proper nouns, on the other hand, are used to name a specific person, place, or thing, such as Peter or United States. And quad.